Pardon this interruption, America. My name is Barack Obama. I would like to come and give you today and present to you today, America, about Calculus Newscast. But first of all, I want to thank you, America, for everything that you've done for me and for my second term, getting me elected into the office. I thank you, and thank you a lot. All right, my wonderful wife, Michelle Obama, please come present the forecast for today.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, the definition of continuity. A function f is continuous at a if the limit as x approaches a of f of x equals a. So, as you see here, we have the continuity checklist. First, we have f of a exists, which means f of a must be defined. Secondly, we have the limit as x approaches a of f of x exists. Third, we have the limit as x approaches a of f of x equals f of a. Now I will have...
No.
Okay.
You don't know what you're talking
You
about.
don't disrespect my wife.
No, Obama. So, what you really need to know is that whenever you draw a continuous graph, you have to draw it without picking up your pencil. Then you know it's continuous. What you really need to know is when it's not continuous. Like point number 1, f of a must exist. So right here at x equals 6, there is a hole in the graph. So you know that f of a does not exist. Point number 2, the limit of x as x approaches a. So anyways, the limit of f of x as x approaches a must equal f of a. So here, the limit exists. They are both approaching y equals 6. But f of a does not equal the limit. Here, the limit does not exist at all. So, even though the limit seems to be approaching 4, it's also approaching 2. So, these do not equal each other. Can you come back, President Obama, to explain this to America?
Yes, pardon my interruption again, America. But I would like Lily Ledbetter and Scott to come up here for an example. Now, as we remember, the continuity is pretty much that you draw a pencil, and if it is never, if there's never a hole in it, then it's continuity. So now, if you put your hand together like this, now right now there's continuity right there. But if I were to give the Obama karate chop like this, there's no continuity. So that's presents number 1. Now, if I were to do this right here, and then there's a point up here, you would think that there is no continuity. So that presents that right here. Now, if you were to be like this right here, then you obviously don't have a limit. So that means that that it is discontinuity. And I would like to thank you, America, for everything you've done once again. But Lily Ledbetter has been paid equally in points for this assignment. And Scott, I appreciate you and your example. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, everybody, for coming and watching our newscast this evening. As you saw, just a brief overview. We had f of a exists. The limit of x approaches a of f of x exists. The limit as x approaches a of f of x equals f of a. And as you saw in their example, where there was 2 people, and especially on this part, when they had husband, put your hand above mine. Okay.
I'm sorry.
So, wait, right here.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so on number 3, I am the left hand limit from you guys', and he is the right hand limit. And because they're not the exact same, even though they're approaching the same way, it doesn't exist. The first one is discontinuous. It's not continuous. There you go. And so, all of these other ones, I hope you've enjoyed.
And just remember, the war in Iraq, discontinuity because of me. Let's see, and that's all. Thank you.